Google Classroom allows teachers to send students and guardians a student work summary. Think of work summaries as a progress report that you can email to your students or their guardian. To send a work summary, navigate to your Google Classroom, click on People, and click on your student. You can also click on Grades and find your student in the grade book. Either way is fine. Over on the left, you have options to select all, select what's been turned in, returned, or missing. Now, of course, this is my demo account with my demo student, so it's not real, and there aren't many assignments. For this demo, I'm going to select all, and over on the top, you'll notice that there is a little email icon. Click on that, and from here, we can email the student or the guardian or both. Now, because this is my test student account and this is a demo class, I don't have a guardian attached to my demo student, but I think you still get the point. Now here we can type a message, and I'm going to select Include Student Work Summary and click Send. You can see down in the bottom it says your message has been sent. So here is my test student account, and you'll notice that there was an email sent to the student. And you'll notice that here's a message that I wrote, and below are all of the assignments from Google Classroom. This email also timestamps when I pulled the work summary for the student. Now, although the student or the guardian will receive an email with the work summary, you as a teacher will not have any record that you sent that work summary. Because I'm using my real Gmail account and not a test teacher email account, I'm not going to navigate to my sent email folder. But I promise you there isn't any record whatsoever that I sent the student a work summary. Now, in most cases, it doesn't matter. You might not need any sort of record, or there might be an instance where you might need to send it to a different email address that's not attached to Google Classroom, or maybe you decide that you would like a record that you sent a work summary to a student or a guardian. So my workaround is to create a PDF and attach that PDF in an email. To do this, we're going to go back to our work summary. We have our test student pulled up. I've selected all, and I'm going to right click and select print. So mine already says save as a PDF, but most likely yours has a printer listed. I don't have any printers attached to my computer at the moment, but if you have a printer listed here, click and navigate to Save as PDF. Now, normally I like to remove the headers and footers to get rid of the messy links at the bottom, but in this case I don't want to because it's actually time-stamped at the top. If you don't see that, go into More Settings and make sure that your headers and footers are turned on. I'm going to click Save. I'm going to put this in my Downloads folder. Now I'm going to navigate to my test teacher account. I'm going to create an email. And at the bottom, click on the paper clip icon, select your Downloads folder, and here is the PDF that I saved. And now it's included in my email as an attachment. So now when I send the email, I can navigate to my Sent folder, and I can see that I did in fact send that email with the student work summary attached. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out, and I hope you all have a wonderful day.